Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Domain-driven design, DDD, is an approach to software development that emphasizes collaboration between technical and domain experts to create a model that reflects the domain's complexity. It helps to structure the application in a way that aligns with the business needs and promotes a clear understanding of how different components interact. ### Key concepts of DDD. 1. Domain, the subject area or business problem being addressed. 2. Ubiquitous language, a common language used by both developers and domain experts to ensure clear communication. 3. Bounded context, a boundary within which a particular model is defined and applicable. Different contexts can have different models for the same concept. 4. Entities, objects that have a distinct identity that runs through time and different states. 5. Value objects, objects that don't have a distinct identity and are defined only by their attributes. 6. Aggregates, a cluster of domain objects that can be treated as a single unit. An aggregate has a root entity that is responsible for ensuring the consistency of changes within the aggregate. 7. Repositories, mechanisms for encapsulating storage, retrieval, and search behavior, which emulate a collection of aggregates. 8. Services, operations that don't naturally fit within an entity or value object. ###example, building a simple library system. Let's create a simple library system using DDD principles in Java. #####. Step 1, define the domain model. 1. Entities, book, library member. 2. Value objects, ISBN, email address. 3. Aggregates, library. 4. Repository, library repository. 5. Service, library service. #####. Step 2, implementing the code. ########. Value objects. #######. Entities. #######. Repository. ######. Service. Step 3, usage example. Conclusion. This tutorial introduces the fundamental concepts of domain-driven design, DDD, and provides a simple example of how to implement these concepts in a Java application. By focusing on the domain, using a ubiquitous language, and organizing your code into well-defined entities, value objects, aggregates, repositories, and services, you can create a clean and maintainable architecture that aligns with your business goals. As you delve deeper into DDD, you will encounter more complex scenarios and patterns such as domain events, CQRS, and event sourcing, which can further enhance your application design.